at 6:26 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm with damaging winds over intersection United States 27 Pines Boulevard, moving east at 5 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near intersection United States 27 Pines Boulevard by 6:25 p.m. Pembroke Pines by 6:45 p.m.